Welcome to Kenya. Kenya is a paradise. Welcome to Kenya, Nairobi, Kenya. Welcome to Nairobi, Kenya, the paradise. Look at this paradise. Look at the moon behind me. The moon behind me. That's the moon, guys. The moon, the palm trees. Oh my gosh, what else do you want? Kenyan paradise, welcome to the Kenyan paradise. Hey, hello guys, welcome to Read the Explorer. On my channel I speak about health and lifestyle. Now I'm traveling. I'm now back in Kenya, my motherland. I'm in Kenya now and I will be traveling around. So I'm in Nairobi. I'll be traveling to another western region town called Eldoret, and then to Bungoma and to Kisumu as well. So I'll be traveling around Kenya. So from now on, expect to see some content about traveling around Kenya. So welcome here, and please join me in my travels around Kenya. I will not be traveling too much. I'll be also stationed somewhere, I'll be living at some community somewhere in Eldoret, and I wish to bring you juicy content from there as well. So I've been swimming guys. I've been swimming. Now I just want to give you a tour of this place. Look behind me. A lot of space for you to stay. This is the place I always stay at in Nairobi. I always stay here. It's really beautiful. There's a small gym somewhere. Let me see if I can show you a gym around. So guys, I made a blunder. I went to the gym. I wanted to show you the sauna and the gym, but I didn't hit record, so too bad I didn't record it. I will show you tomorrow. But this is how this place looks like. It's in the heart of Nairobi. It's in Kilimani, very close to Yaya Center and Nairobi Hostel, many places around. So if you're in Nairobi and you're considering a cozy but cheap place to stay, cozy but cheap, with a heated swimming pool, serviced apartments, you can cook in your apartment, or you can eat in the restaurant, or you can order food from the restaurant. You know, it's serviced apartment, so everything is available. Everything and every option is available, guys. Looking for a cozy, cheap and really classy place to live, here's a place. I recommend this place. So as I said guys, please tune in to my channel and get to know about what I'm about in Kenya. I'm in Nairobi now. I'll be traveling day after tomorrow, and I will be bringing you juicy stories from around Kenya. So I will not only be based in Nairobi, I will be also based in Western Kenya and also at the coast. I'll be going to the coast as well. I have holidays, but of course it's time to work on my YouTube channel as well and on myself. So I've been swimming. It's late night. It's time to sleep, guys. I will go to bed, and for now I say goodbye. Thank you for subscribing, for sharing and watching my videos always. Okay, bye. So guys, this is me. I have been swimming. I smell so much chlorine. Yeah, I feel like I smell like chlorine. I need to smell like chocolate. So I need to smear some chocolate on me to smell like chocolate and not chlorine. So I have been swimming. It's late night. It's after 10 in the night, and I've been swimming. I have been alone in the swimming pool. It's so serene. Actually, there are many people here, but a lot of people who come here are people who are here on short holidays or transiting on holidays, going to Masai Mara or elsewhere. So they stop over here for a couple of days and then they proceed, or they are working and they're here for a short time, or there's just some people who stay here because they're working in Nairobi and they live here in this residence. So it's really a pretty beautiful place. I would recommend this place to everybody. Everybody's so cute. It's so serene. You know, you can use a gym. I wanted to show you the gym, but the gym was closed. It's late in the night. I will show you tomorrow, but the gym is really basic, extremely basic. But yeah, if you have a heated pool in Nairobi, what do you expect? It's 20 degrees now. Actually tonight, because it's so windy and it's getting cold, it's 15 degrees Celsius. During the day it went up to 25 degrees, but now the temperatures have come so low to 15. So 15 degrees, imagine you need a heated pool, and that's why I love this place. And it's cheap. It's very cheap, guys. It's cheap. It's a very cheap place to live. I have shown you my condo. I showed you. Please, if you haven't checked, check my video. Check my latest video, the last video I posted. I have shown you my condo, and so it's not so basic. and it's so affordable, guys. At the moment I don't have a job and I can afford to live here, so it's really affordable. If you come around Nairobi, I highly recommend this place, and it's so, the level of professionalism, it's over the top. So yeah, I can't say so much more than that. So guys, my room is as messy as always. Yeah, my bed was made. Yeah, I was out today and they made my bed. It's really beautiful. Oh guys, I wanna show you something. Look, this is above my bed. There's a mirror, you see. Do you see my bed? So when I sleep here, I see myself. When I sleep here, I see myself. That's a mirror. That's a mirror. So when I lie down, I see myself up there. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Yeah, so cute, guys. It's a very funny room I have. Yeah, and there are different types of rooms, and each room is unique. Each room is unique. Look at this. My room is like this. So the bed is there, like a little nest over there. You can just pull. This is a bed net or mosquito net, if you want to call it so. And there you are behind a mosquito net or a bed net. So I sleep in a nest, guys. I sleep in a nest. It gives me a very wonderful feeling to feel like I'm sleeping in a nest. It's really cute. It's so nice here. So nice, guys. In the heart of Nairobi. It's so beautiful, huh? And the people are great. Oh my goodness, I always have a lot of fun with this stuff around here. So my room is as messy as always. My suitcases are still there. I will be traveling day after tomorrow. My stock of fruits is low, so I have tried to eat as much as I could, and now I'm left with just some lemons and some oranges. My fridge still has some watermelon. Yeah, the pineapple is still there. This pineapple is not as sweet as I expected, so I haven't eaten the pineapple yet, and I have some strawberries here. I have kienyeji eggs, kienyeji indigenous eggs. I have been eating these kienyeji indigenous eggs. These are like organic eggs. I really love this. Wow, this is the beauty of being in Africa. We have all this organic stuff, all these organic things. Oh, everywhere, fruits everywhere, guys. Fruits everywhere. I am a fruity girl, so my blood is sweet. So I am a sweet girl. Ooh, let's see the balcony. What is here? Oh, I do have some stuff over there. Yeah, everywhere, swimsuits and towels and all this kind of stuff. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for always being here with me, for watching my videos. So guys, now I am still in my swimsuit. I just want to show you. I'm in my nest. I'm in this nest, and the mosquito is just over there. Oh, the bed net. So I'm in my nest, guys. And the mirror up there is the mirror. No, I don't want to show you the mirror because I think you might see what you don't need to see. So let's finish it at that. So guys, thank you so much. From behind the mosquito net, I say thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, okay? And see you in Western Kenya very soon, okay? Bye bye.